If you're tired of wasting money on disposable air cans and want a powerful, eco-friendly way to keep your devices dust-free, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best compressed air dusters, featuring models that deliver incredible power, long battery life, and true versatility. Let's jump right in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Fresmol Compressed Air Duster. The Fresmol Compressed Air Duster is a modern solution for efficient and eco-friendly cleaning, designed to replace traditional disposable air cans. Built with a powerful motor that reaches up to 100,000 RPM, it delivers strong airflow with 3 adjustable settings. A simple long press of the switch powers the device on or off, while built-in LED work lights ensure that hidden dust in hard-to-reach areas such as keyboards, car vents, and electronic components can be easily illuminated and removed. Equipped with a 7,500 mAh lithium battery, the duster offers 20 to 40 minutes of continuous runtime on a single charge, equivalent to using over 30 disposable air cans. The Type-C fast charging system fully charges the device in about 4 hours, while advanced temperature and circuit protection safeguard the battery during use and charging. The package includes a comprehensive cleaning kit with 5 interchangeable nozzles and 3 brushes, giving users flexibility to tackle different tasks. Whether it's cleaning computer equipment, office desks, or car interiors, the accessories make it simple to adapt the duster to a wide range of cleaning needs. Beyond its power and versatility, the Fresmol duster is also a sustainable alternative to disposable cans. With its reusable design, it eliminates the use of chemicals, saves significant costs over time, and reduces environmental impact. Compact, lightweight, and portable, this cordless duster is easy to carry and comfortable to use. Its multiple layers of safety protection, including temperature, current, and short-circuit safeguards, ensure safe operation at all times. Ideal for use in homes, offices, and automobiles, it combines convenience, power, and eco-consciousness in one reliable device. Coming in at number 4, the Relidol Compressed Air Duster. The Relidol Compressed Air Duster is a modern solution designed for efficient, eco-friendly, and versatile cleaning. Built with an advanced motor that reaches speeds of up to 100,000 RPM, it delivers strong airflow power between 1.86 to 2.51 ounces, making it highly effective for removing dust and debris. With a simple press-and-hold power function and a new knob design, users can easily switch between 3 airflow modes, ensuring precise cleaning for different devices and surfaces. Its lightweight, cordless design makes it easy to handle and carry, while safety is reinforced through built-in protections against overheating, overcurrent, and short circuits. Constructed with durable ABS plastic, the device resists wear and impact, offering long-term reliability while reducing reliance on disposable compressed air cans. The Relidol Air Duster includes 5 interchangeable nozzles and 3 brushes, providing versatility for cleaning a wide range of items such as PCs, keyboards, car seats, sofas, printers, and air conditioners. Beyond cleaning, it can also inflate items like swimming rings or kayaks, and even assist with tasks like blowing fire when barbecuing. Powered by a robust 7,500 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers 20 to 40 minutes of continuous use and can be fully recharged in just 3 to 4 hours via USB-C fast charging. An integrated LED display shows both battery level and airflow settings, while a built-in LED work light ensures visibility in tight or dimly lit spaces. With its combination of power, safety, and multifunctionality, the Relidol Compressed Air Duster delivers a reliable cleaning experience suitable for everyday use in both home and professional environments. At number 3, we have the Troizo BC03 Compressed Air Duster. The Troizo BC03 Compressed Air Duster is designed to be a versatile and powerful cleaning tool, combining advanced technology with portability. Equipped with an upgraded 150,000 RPM brushless motor, it delivers wind pressure up to 180 grams with a maximum wind speed of 35 meters per second. The device features 4 adjustable speed settings, making it suitable for everything from delicate electronics to heavy-duty workshop cleanups. Built as a multi-purpose cleaner, the BC03 comes with 4 nozzles and 4 brushes, expanding its usability beyond traditional dusting. It can effectively clean computers, keyboards, cameras, car interiors, and home appliances. Its functions go even further, doubling as a jet blower for lighting picnic fires, blowing snow or leaves, inflating items, and even drying pet hair. The built-in ultra-bright LED light ensures visibility in dark spaces, allowing for thorough cleaning in every corner. Despite its high performance, the device maintains a compact and lightweight design, weighing only 0.66 pounds. Its portability makes it convenient to carry in a bag, toolbox, or even a car cup holder, ensuring it is always accessible for indoor cleaning or outdoor adventures such as camping and travel. The BC03 is powered by 2 3,000 mAh rechargeable batteries with support for 15-watt Type-C fast charging. A full charge takes approximately 130 minutes and provides up to 120 minutes of continuous use, giving users enough runtime to finish multiple tasks without interruption. Constructed from durable ABS and aluminum alloy materials, this rechargeable blower is designed for long-term use, lasting through more than 500 recharges. It eliminates the need for disposable compressed air cans, offering a cost-effective and environmentally friendly solution without harmful chemicals or liquids that could damage electronics. With its interchangeable nozzle system, users can easily swap attachments within seconds, adapting the blower to different cleaning scenarios. This combination of power, versatility, and portability makes the Troizo BC03 a practical and reliable tool for both everyday use and specialized cleaning needs. Next up at number 2 is the Vasson Compressed Air Duster. The Vasson Compressed Air Duster is a modern cleaning tool built to deliver powerful performance while remaining eco-friendly and portable. Featuring a high-performance brushless motor that reaches speeds of up to 260,000 RPM, it generates an impressive 45 meters per second maximum wind speed and 260 grams pressure. With 3 adjustable speed settings, it provides the flexibility to handle everything from delicate electronics to heavier cleaning tasks. Designed as a multifunctional cleaning solution, it comes equipped with 5 nozzles, a brush, and a storage bag. Whether it's removing dust from keyboards, cleaning computer towers, blowing crumbs off a sofa, or keeping car vents spotless, this tool adapts seamlessly. Beyond cleaning, it doubles as an inflator, a snowblower, a BBQ starter, or even a mini cooling fan. Its mini portable design makes it practical for both home and travel use. Weighing just 0.68 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to carry, unlike disposable canned air solutions. Built for efficiency and durability, it offers an environmentally friendly alternative to single-use sprays. The device also excels in convenience with its Type-C fast charging capability, reaching a full charge in about 3 hours. Once charged, it provides up to 150 minutes of runtime on low gear, ensuring long-lasting performance for multiple cleaning sessions. For added peace of mind, the Vasson Air Duster includes intelligent safety protection with a liquid silicone handle, overheat prevention, and reliable operation across a wide range of temperatures. The 3-second press power function ensures accidental activation is avoided. Practical tips are also provided for nozzle replacement, ensuring safe and secure use. While it should not be used during charging or exposed to water, its combination of power, portability, and protection makes it an ideal everyday cleaning partner. Finally, at number 1, we have the Wolfbox MF50 Compressed Air Duster. The Wolfbox MF50 compressed air duster is designed as a modern, eco-friendly solution for dust removal, delivering powerful cleaning performance in a lightweight and portable design. Equipped with a turbofan that reaches speeds up to 110,000 RPM, it generates strong airflow to effectively remove dust and debris from a wide range of surfaces. With 3 adjustable speed settings, it adapts easily to different cleaning tasks, whether delicate electronics or more demanding household use. Built from durable materials and featuring a long-lasting rechargeable battery, the MF50 offers an economical alternative to disposable air cans. Its sustainable design ensures repeated use, making it both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Despite its robust performance, the device weighs only 0.45 pounds, making it easy to handle. A convenient lanyard is included for effortless carrying, allowing for use indoors, outdoors, or even while traveling. Versatility is another highlight of the MF50, as it comes with 4 interchangeable nozzles to suit various applications. From cleaning PCs, keyboards, and other electronics to tidying up cars or home appliances, this compact tool provides wide-ranging utility. Charging is efficient and user-friendly with its Type-C interface, delivering a full recharge in just 3.5 hours. Once charged, it offers up to 240 minutes of continuous operation on its lowest setting, ensuring extended cleaning sessions without frequent recharging. Additionally, it supports 4 charging methods, providing flexibility to match different user needs. The Wolfbox MF50 combines portability, efficiency, and sustainability, making it a reliable tool for maintaining cleanliness across multiple environments.